we're working out how to build this nav bar using Beaver Builder's Box Module. And I'll share a link to this demo content with you as well. So let's just take a quick peek at the nav row, which is a box module set to grid display. Then within that container set to grid, I have 5 more box modules nested in that set to Flexbox column orientation. Then inside each of these 5 Flexbox children containers, there's a photo module and a text editor module. So we're just going to rebuild this real quick so you can see how it's put together. First, we're going to start with our grid container. And that means we want the display setting to be grid. Our grid is going to have 5 columns and just 1 row. And I think that's all for our grid parent container. So now we're going to add the first of our 5 Flexbox children containers. For this layout, we're going to want the column direction, which means that our items are going to flow from top to bottom. The default row direction has items flow from left to right. Now we're just going to set the vertical alignment to end and the horizontal alignment to center. Now we can drop in our first photo module. Select our photo and size it. Now I'm going to drop in our text module, add our text and stylize it. And then once that's done, it's just a matter of duplicating this module and replacing the content within it. And I'm going to do that here in the outline panel. You just right click and select duplicate. I can fast forward through this portion so you don't have to watch my busy work. So that's it. Now we can jump back to our original piece of demo content just to compare. And I think that is just what we built. One more thing I want to point out to you is that when you're ready to link, something that's cool about the box module is that you can link the whole module. So now that whole div is a link. Before I wrap this up, I just want to show you real quick some of the responsive design possibilities here. So let's just jump into the responsive design editor. You can see that this isn't looking so hot on mobile devices. And what's cool is you can easily change your grid orientation and how many cells you have in both the columns and rows, depending on what device you're using with the responsive editor. So now on every screen size, it has the original 5 columns, 1 row, but now on mobile devices, it has 5 rows and 1 column. And likewise, you can tweak all of these Flexbox settings depending on your screen size using the responsive editor. Well, I think this is a good stopping point. Have fun creating with the box module, and thanks for watching. Bye.